Good morning, everyone. This is George, and I wanted to create a quick little video tutorial on how to back up a file in Linux. Many times it might become necessary to back up a file. It could be a very important file. You might be doing a system reboot or just doing some cleaning up, and you don't want to lose an important file, so we back it up. There's many ways to do it, but what I like to do is use the copy command, CMP, so CP command. So that's what we'll do right now. First off, I'll go ahead and go into one of my directories using the absolute path. And the directory I'm going into is my Red Hat directory. And let's take a look at what's inside. I have three files here. I have certified.txt, file1, and file2. And as you can see right here, there's nothing in file1, so obviously I'm not going to back that up. But let's take a quick look at what file2 is. So let's take a quick look by catting into it. All right, this is Mikkel's file. Pickle has access because I had Chmod, G+S on Athena Red Hat directory, just some practice work I was doing. But let's say this is super important, top secret information that we want to back up. Now, I use the copy command, CP. What you do is you space, 2 dashes, type the word backup. That should be pretty intuitive, pretty easy. Backup, the file name. So I want to save file2, file name, and then the destination directory. I'm going to go ahead and put it in Athena, the sort of parent directory of Red Hat. So let's do that, and you need to type in the absolute path to do that. So Athena and enter. Okay, well, let's see if indeed it got there. So let's cd back into Athena. As you can see, I'm back in this directory. Let's long list my files, and you can see right here that file2 is there. You can see the kilobytes here, 90, that the file contents are there. But just to double check, let's go ahead and just cat into it. There it is. There's the file. I like to just make sure nothing happened to the original file, so I'm going to go ahead and cd into my Red Hat directory where I got the file from, long list, and you can still see file2 in here. So what does that mean? Well, that means we have the same file in two different places. I have the original within the Red Hat subdirectory, and then I backed it up into the parent directory of Athena, so it's in two different places. Now, what you could do so that you don't mix up the file or get confused, rather, you could place the suffix .bak at the back. So let's do that. Let's just go back to the Athena long list, look at file2. I'm going to rename that to file2.bak. So how do you do that? How do you rename a file? Well, you can use move or mv, and we're going to move file2. Now we're working within the same directory, Athena. If I wanted to place this somewhere else, I could, but I'm in Athena and I just want to change the name of that file within the same directory. So I just move file2, and I'm going to rename it to file2.bak, just so I know that this file is the backup file. Click enter. Let's long list and take a look. There it is. You can see that now file2, I know this is the backup file because I went ahead and placed .bak at the back. Let's take a look inside and make sure nothing changed with the file. File2.bak, going in there, and there it is, the same file. So we just backed it up. We have it in two different places. It's pretty simple, and that's all I have for you. Thank you for watching.